Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I want to show us how we can solve this tricky exponential equation. Solution. So we have 1 over x raised to power x equals to 1 over 27. Okay, another way to write 1 over x is x raised to power minus 1. Then we write this x equals to 1 over 27 can also be written as 27 raised to power minus 1. Okay, now we can open these brackets, multiplying the powers. So we have x raised to power minus 1 times x will give us minus x equals to 27 raised to power minus 1. Okay, now 27 is a multiple of 3. So let's do this. Okay, 27 is 3 times 3, 9. 9 times 3 is 27. That is 3 raised to power 3. Then multiply by this minus 1. Okay, then let's multiply the powers. We have x raised to power minus x equals to 3 raised to power 3 times minus 1 will give us minus 3. Okay, now let's equate the powers. We can either equate the powers or we equate the bases. But let's equate the powers first. Equate the powers. Okay, so it means this equals to this. We have minus x equals to minus 3. And that means our x is equals to 3. Alright, so if we equate the bases, this is x and this is 3. We have x equals to 3. So that means x equals to 3 is our answer. Now let's check. Let's see if we are actually correct. Let's see if this x is not an external solution. So checking. Okay, so we have 1 over x raised to power x equals to 1 over 27. That is our original equation. Then let's substitute for x. Our x equals to 3. So we have 1 over 3 raised to power x, which is 3, equals to 1 over 27. So what is 1 raised to power 3? It is 1. That is 1 times 1 times 1. And 3 raised to power 3 is 27. So this gives 1 over 27. And it equals to 1 over 27. Alright, so that means that x equals to 3 is a valid answer. X equals to 3 is a valid answer. Our answer is x equals to 3. Alright, so now let's try something similar to that. Let's try this. Okay, so we have 2 over x, then raised to power x, equals to 1 over 16. Okay, now let's find x. Alright, so thanks guys for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share this video, and if you have not subscribed to this channel, please do subscribe. See you next time.